change in your life because I am introducing to you the most perfect thing you've ever seen. Reign Energy, giving you peak performance in whatever you need. Coming in with 300 milligrams of natural caffeine, increasing your concentration, reducing your fatigue, and having amino acids that just overall increase your very mood. Now this specifically is the Melon Mania flavor. Now I personally have not tried this, and I will give this a taste test to you. I will be rating 1 out of 10 on how good the Melon Mania Reign tastes. Now this is the first I've been tasting this. Add a little bit of ice. Crackle pop. The flavor's good. The flavor's good. You can definitely taste the caffeine in there. Forgot to mention, recommended to persons 18 years or older. I'm 17. Now the overall flavor, it's great actually. I'd give it, like I said, I'd rate it out of 10. Definitely in the upper 7s, probably 7.69. But yeah, it's definitely good. I'm gonna go for around 2. I gotta give you guys those effects. This also has electrolytes in it. Electrolytes, Na, K, and Mg. I don't know what any of those mean. They're definitely healthy for you. We've actually tested this on a fortunate bystander to get the real effect on a unpaid actor to show you what Reign really does to the human body. And we'll bring him in right now. Here we have our bystander, our non-paid actor. He's going to be taste testing the Reign Total Body Fuel Melon Mania, and we're going to let the caffeine sink in, really see what it does to the blood, the heart and the lungs, the brain of our bystander here. So we're going to let him have a taste and see what it does here.
Yeah, so I'm just gonna give this Melon Mania a try, see what happens. That's pretty good. I'm not noticing much right away, but we'll see in a few minutes or hours. Getting kind of shaky though. It's kicking in that fast. So yeah, I just see what's gonna happen in a few hours or minutes, something like that. Hands are getting a little shaky. I think I might fall over. My hands are, I'm tensing up.
What a lucky bystander he was, eh? So we're gonna get those results to you guys of what it does in about an hour. He did receive medical attention immediately after seizing. But yeah, he's back in action right now. We actually gave him a Reign to make him feel better. As they say, fight a virus with a virus. And yeah, I'm just gonna keep pounding away at this Reign, get what I can out of it. I'm actually starting to form a caffeine addiction. A very addicting drink, I must say myself. This 300 milligrams of caffeine it has in here really gets to you. But it's great. Totally recommend this. The age restriction on the back, don't listen to it. Yeah, you can definitely drink it. I mean, our bystander was 13.
That's the worldwide sitting. Mama said that everyone was morning. I was there. You never had. If you I feel like I'm on fire. I feel like
Thank you for joining us on our review of this lovely product, Reign Total Body Fuel, Melon Mania. As you can see from the previous clips, the effects are outstanding and you won't be disappointed. We'll catch you on the flip side. Have a good life.